So here we are. I guess we're having coastal flooding. This is better than the blizzard of 1978. And here we are in front of my house. Here's my Jeep, Anastasia. And I'm coming down the stairs here. And this water I'm standing in right now, this is the Atlantic Ocean. This is where the water is up to the street. So it's getting pretty serious here. I'm starting to think maybe about getting out. These guys walking by are from the ice rescue unit. I'm gonna try to come over here and show you what it looks like in the house. This is a driveway. And you see all these cracks? This is the ocean. It's coming up pretty tall here. So high tide's supposed to start going back pretty soon, so hopefully this will get better. But yep, the fire department's out here trying to like keep the hydrants open and stuff. And we're all just kind of trying to hang in there because I don't think that driving is a very smart option right now either. So if you don't have to be anywhere today, I would highly suggest that you do not go anywhere today.